It looks like a tic-tac. It looks like a saucer. It looks like they're trying to figure out what the fuck the shape is because it's moving so goddamn fast. But it's doing stuff that nothing we know how to make can do. I don't know if it's from another planet. It might be from here, but it's exciting. It's exciting shit. I want it to be from another planet. That's what I want. Like unbiased. Like what I would love it, just be completely honest, I would love it if it was aliens. But if it was people, I'd be even more scared. Because, like, goddamn, people can do that. People can do that, and no one knew. Like, if you can imagine a person who can make a spaceship that defies all of the rules that we know about travel, about air travel. If they can make something that defies all that shit, and somehow or another keep the whole development and production of it a secret, and then have this thing and take it off, and no one knows how the fuck they did it, that's almost more impressive than aliens. Because that's what these things are doing is, so if these pilots are accurately reading what's happening and they're telling the truth, the thing that's remarkable is their stories are very consistent. There's a lot of very similar stories from different people that they make a living flying super fast warships. You know, they see things, they know what the fuck they're looking at.